Hello and welcome back everyone to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Clash Royale game on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store on your device, depending on the kind of device that you're using. Now simply tap on the search box and search for Clash Royale. Once you find the application, simply tap on the install button and then wait for the installation to complete. Now it's quite a large file, so it might take some time. Just wait until the download and installation is complete, and once you see the play button, you can simply tap on it to open up the Clash Royale application. And now you can immediately start playing the game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download the Clash Royale game on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell and you will never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.